Boom. E46. E30. Yeah, 350Z. We live! Yeah, 240. Another 240. Some faggot with tight pants. Another 240. 240 Nation. But are they vaping? Another E46. Mismatched color FRS, because that's the thing. Another 240. Squad right here. 240 G35. That's 14.5. Yeah. Camaro, probably not driving, but you know. Another S13.5 hatch.
Says it's not his, which means it clearly is.
Not his. That's one of them Honda Preludes over there. The trunk open. It's a BMW. Oh god, we just touched tips.
Bro.
That was wild. Yeah, it was kind of good. Yeah. There's more cars and shit. Like, oh shit. Is that a Kia? Oh man. Oh look. Is that a, dude, that's a Kia. Oh shit. Damn dude, so hard to find one of these at a just event. It's crazy. Dude, is that a 240? Oh man. Oh dude. Okay, the most original car here. Actually, this is Q whatever. There's a Mustang. I fuck with it. Wow, it's a actual LG. I couldn't make the claps loud enough. Z's. Okay, bye.